Welcome to 3709. This break is where we're going to find out who wins the Jaguars. For one of the first times this year. Not really, but there's a couple. Here we go. Let's pull up 4709. Just do a quick refresh so we know where we're at. Make sure that it didn't oversell or anything. We're all good. 5 times. Here we go. The team on top at the end will win the Jags. The Jags are going to be removed from this list because they cannot win themselves. Make that list nice and tight. Jags were early. Yes, they are. 5 times. Here we go. 1 for 3709. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top time is the Cowboys. Yeehaw. 5 times. The Cowboys are on top. Read the randomizer. Find out who's got the Cowboys in 3709. Cowboys, Rod back. Congratulations. Back. Good luck, all. Here we go. Did I upload that? Sorry, guys. Just making sure that gets uploaded. 1, 2, 3. Bilingual, baby. Trilingual. It's stumpy up there. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, all. Let's do this. Go, 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 go. Gold Center was one of the first box designs that I really loved back way back when. I don't think there's a case hit as such off the top of my head. However, there are some very, very limited autograph sets. Like Super Bowl champions and whatnot. 24 karat gold as well, I think are pretty rare. So, yeah. I was waiting for you to be done with the stuff you were doing. Here we go, 3709. Let's do this.
I might end up putting together a send out tomorrow just to get her out of here.
Okay, yeah. It was the Jaguars, Jason, and it was the someone. It was Rod. All right, DeAndre Hopkins to 99. To 25, Aaron Donald for the Rams. DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. Newly minted dual jersey of Devonta Smith and Kenneth Gainwell. 2 rookies right there to 149. A gold standard, baby. Gold rush to 299. J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. We then have Mother Load to 299 for the Cowboys of Michael Gallup. Yeehaw. We have a redemption. We'll put it face down. A gold standard to 109 of Jacob Harris. And then let's find out who's our redemption. All right. Rookie jersey autograph double. Card 263. Elijah Moore. Elijah Moore. Drawing a blank as it stands. I feel like it's a red team. No, it's the Jets. Elijah Moore for the Jets. Rookie jersey autographs double. All right. Next up. Come back to our chat. Okie dokie. Miles Sanders to 75 for the Eagles. To just 5. It's backwards. Oh, wow. What? Cornell Powell opulence? Okay, there we go. This may be one of the super short prints. Number 2 of 5 for the Kansas City Chiefs, Cornell Powell. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that corner. What the hell? Geez, you actually are going to be able to get a replacement on that. That is look at that. Wow. How does that even happen? Yep, absolutely, Cody. I can do that for you. That I don't think you could do that damage to a card if you wanted to. It's literally like it's been picked up and someone's gone. There you go. Newly minted patch to 49 of Jalen Waddle. Please just fit in there. Oh, you bastard. Oh, there's points like I didn't. Oh, 900 points. That'll go to someone in this break. A white gold Joey Bosa to 299. Gold standard golden debuts to 49 for the Buccaneers. Nice, Kyle Trask. Learning from the best right now. And for the Jets, to 149, rookie jersey auto of Michael Carter. Wow, Jets are getting the Chocolies 2 boxes in a row now. Quiddy Pay to 49 for the Colts. To 99, Carson Wentz for the Colts. Golden pairs of Metcalf and Lockett to 299 for the Seahawks. A Simeon Rice jersey to 299 for the Buccaneers. A Golden Gloves auto to 99 of Robbie Anderson from the Panthers. Boxing champion. Ooh. Wow. 5 of 5, 24 karat gold autograph, Matt Ryan. That is nice. A bit of opulence inspiration in that one. There's a few cards that are very opulence inspired now. Look at the corner of it. That's gorgeous. Congratulations to the Falcons. Yeah, I know. That's really nice. And then gold standard to just 49 for the Rams of Tutu Atwell. Tutu Atwell, RPA, 5 of 49 for the Rams. Now, a lot of people very high on Tutu. And 5 of 49. And that is that for gold standard, 3709.